Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. A peacoat is a comfortable and stylish wardrobe item that will not only add charm to your style, but also warm you up in the cold weather. Our subscribers asked to model a peacoat and we are happy to show you how we do it. For work, we need a basic pattern of 10 measurements and attention to detail. A peacoat does not forgive negligence. Today we will model the details of the backrest and front. We will seriously work on the neckline and armhole. The jacket will be padded, so we need to make it slightly loose. And we'll show you how to do it. Let us also remind you today how to relax the armhole, that's how we call it, and distribute the solution of the darts. We are going to do some modeling now. Front, back. This is the basic pattern. Side seam not in the middle of the armhole and in the middle of the basic pattern. The front and the back are equal. The first thing we need to do is draw a dotted line. The whole detail remains here. These lines are needed to give extra freedom and comfort for the chest. I write to cut and expand. It's the same here. To cut and extend. Now we deepen the armhole by 1.5 centimeters and widen it by 1 centimeter. Here is the top of the side seam, deepened by 1.5 and expanded by 1 centimeter. From this point, I built a new armhole. Here the line is straight and only to the third part of the armhole begins to go here. There is a new armhole. Here I pushed it apart and here I add. Now look at the beginning of the shoulder. These are the points. I move 1.5 centimeters to the side. This is center of the front, 2.5 centimeters from it, the edge of the board. The distance between the center of the front and the edge of the bead is called the width of the skid floor. We also don't have a side seam. I make this line 1 centimeter wider. The length of the product from the shoulder seam to the front is 70. Choose the length of the product that you need. Now I cut and spread. Now we will glue. This is what a cut and glued pattern looks like. Now watch how my hands will do the magic. Here's the top of the chest and the undercut. Now you need to loosen the armhole a little. That's it for today. In the next video I will show you how to prepare the sleeve and collar. Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!